How to clean up email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. Once you are in your inbox, tap and hold on an email to select it. You can then tap the icons next to other emails to select multiple messages. Alternatively, tap on the Select All box at the top. After choosing the emails, tap on the trash can icon at the top of the screen. A confirmation will show that the items have been moved to the bin. Now, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner. Scroll down the menu and tap on the bin option. You will see all the emails you just deleted. To permanently delete them, tap on Empty Bin Now at the top. A confirmation pop-up will appear, then tap on OK to permanently delete all items in the bin. Following these steps, you can easily clean up your email on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.